Hello there everyone, another day, another video. So this is a MacBook Pro A2779, so which is a M3 model 2024, 23 M3 14-inch MacBook Pro, which came in with no power. So we noticed that there's a short on the main power rail, so it was not showing on the thermal camera when I connect the direct power. So when I noticed, so here you can see I have took the fuse out and I have been injecting voltage into the main power lane. So upon inspection, so I am injecting 2 volts. It's taking 100 milliamps, 130 140 milliamps, which is a very low voltage and very low current consumption. And upon thermal inspection, you can see this is an audio chip which got short, and the chip is exactly I'll point it with the plastic thing, no metal. There are 3 chips here. Where are they? Yeah, 1 2 3. So this is where I am pointing at. 1 2 3. So this is the first chip. So this is the shorted part. So now what I'll do, I'll turn off my power supply and I will take this chip out and I will see if that 100 milliamps current consumption is also stopped. If the 100 milliamps current consumption is stopped, that means the short circuit is relieved. So the chip is out. The shorted audio IC. This is the shorted audio IC. Yes, so this chip belongs to here. So we just pulled this chip out. So earlier for 2 volts it was taking about 100 milliamps, 100 150. So now let's inject the same voltage again and see whether it's taking the same current or not. Here we go. 1 2 3. So it's taking 0. At 2 volts it was taking 0. Earlier it was taking about 100 milliamps. So we removed the chip, the short circuit is relieved and it's taking 0 voltage now. So now let's just see if it turns on or not. So before fixing this board, it was stuck at 5 volts and there was no power intake. So now let's check if it is still the same or it has improved or anything, because the short circuit is gone, the board should turn on. So let's see. It's connected. Oh, 18 milliamps. Oh, right. 20 volts at 300 milliamps. This board is fixed. So I will put this board back in the casing and I'll get back from there. So now it is taking the proper voltage. Earlier it was stuck at 5 volts and it was not taking any amperage. Now it is 20 volts at 120 milliamps, which is a booting current, and it is turning on. So I just assembled the machine back. The painful part about this 2021 and later models MacBook Pro and Air is there are too many screws to open, there are too many screws to fix again, and it's going to be a very big pain for us. So here we go. Let's connect the power. Let's see how much is it taking. We got the chime and it's turning on. Let's just cover the client's name. So we have a mouse cursor. Yes, it is fixed. MacBook Pro 2779 M3 14-inch machine. It's taking 20 volts at 4 amps. The battery is completely fully charging. And that's all for now. Another day, another win. Till next time, see you.